we're gonna start our experimental part of this lab. So first thing we have to do is measure out 10 milliliters of sodium hydroxide, which I did right here. Another 10 milliliters for the crystal violet. And we are going to connect our calorimeter, okay? And we are going to open the Logger Pro, and experiment number for this one is chemistry with veneer, and it is number 30. Open, okay? So this is our rate law determination of crystal violet. First thing we're gonna do is take our water, okay? Fill it to about 3/4 full, okay? And we are going to put it in our calorimeter. We're gonna use the water as a reference, okay? So we wanna hold the calibration button and make sure our calorimeter, it is set at 565 nanometers. That's the wavelength we'll be using to do this experiment, okay? Notice the absorbance at this stage is very close to 0 because absorbance for clear water should be 0. 0 absorbance means you have 100% transmittance, which means all the light passed through the water comes out the other side, 100%. Nothing is absorbed, okay? So next thing is we are going to mix our solution. We're gonna take our crystal violet and our sodium hydroxide. We're gonna pour them in a beaker simultaneously so the two can react, okay? We can mix it a little bit with a stirring rod, just a little bit. And we're gonna prepare our sample. Take a cuvette, fill the cuvette to about 3/4 full, and we can start measuring our absorbance for this color solution. So make sure our clear side of our cuvette is facing the arrow, so because that's where the light is going to go to, right? So we put that in the calorimeter, close it. Here we're going to click the collect button. Notice our absorbance at this point is 0.312, okay? And your lab says we should start once the absorbance hits about 0.34 or lower, so we can stop. So we're gonna click collect button, and we're gonna let that keep the measurement. And then so for every about 45 seconds, we're gonna click keep to keep another point of the measurement. So when we click keep, you're gonna add another point of the absorbance over here. So we're coming up to 45 seconds. So we're gonna click keep, and then we're gonna keep doing this for a total of at least 20 minutes, okay? Because it's at the end or tail end of this experiment, that's gonna be very critical in deciding whether you have a first order reaction, zero order, or a second order reaction. So that's why they don't want you to start too early. So the data you collect at the end is gonna have a big influence on the final results. Oh, we're gonna click the keep button. So we're gonna keep doing it for every 45 minutes or so, 45 seconds. Keep.